I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the one we used to know. Oh shit, it's not even fucking Christmas. This is our motherfucking first blizzard. Yeah, I did a little bit of shoveling. Had to shovel a little bit in my backyard. White Christmas. Look at the damn snow. Woo! Blizzard, blizzard. We're about to have a whiteout, whiteout. Whoa.